Hey everybody, thanks for coming back and watching another one of my videos. Got everything done with the gun that I wanted to get done after the last disaster. If you guys watched the Come On Baby Light My Fire video, this gun just was horrible as far as extraction, ejection. I mean, it was just horrible no matter what I put through it. Put in the extractor ejector kit from Canyon Desert Precision and the magazine block and magazine well from Dip. Made it a completely different gun today. We ran probably 100 rounds through this thing, maybe a little bit more. Rifle match through SK, the red box, Center X from Lapua, and the Ely match, and all three just did fantastic. If I needed to eject a live round, I mean, all three just with ease. So job well done, UCZ 457 folks. Those are must do's. If you there's two things you buy for the gun. Make it the magazine well from Dip and the extractor kit from Canyon Desert Precision. It will make it a different gun. You'll be glad you did it. While we're out there, you got to take advantage of a 40-degree in Illinois. A little bit windier than you would have liked, but you got to go, man. When it's 40 degrees in January up here, you got to go. So we shot the 2025 New Year's Challenge. I'm going to put the video up here after this. Hope you guys enjoy it. Had a lot of fun doing it again. Looking forward to the rest of the year. Looking forward to seeing what this gun can actually do once the weather gets nicer. We can actually spend some time with it and on a day with better conditions. But no excuses, man. Had a lot of fun and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. All right, we got everything done to the gun that I needed to do. We got the extractor kit from Canyon Desert Precision in, and then the magwell and mag block from Dip. Gun seems like it's running a lot better. We are going to do the New Year's Challenge. So let's see how this thing does this time. Okay. That is way low. All right, I think we're gonna run with it. So away we go. Balloon number one. First one I hit the box, but that once we get this thing, the film uploaded, it's pretty clear it was a sighter. So we are going for regulation now. Balloon number one. Nice. Balloon number two. Nice. Balloon number three. Let's see if we can stay away from the four. Nice. Balloon number four, which gets a little tricky. Oh! Penalty! Balloon number five. Also tucked away in there pretty tight. I think we got her. Balloon number six. Possible. Balloon number seven. Penalty. Balloon number eight. Also buried away there. That looked pretty good. Balloon number nine. Nice. Balloon number 10. Kind of hidden in there as well. Oh. Cannot believe how much of a difference that mag well makes the way this thing loads now. Looks pretty good. Then again, let's see what it looks like when it comes up here. Blue number 11. Nice. Blue number 12 should be hopefully a gimme. Blue number 13. Where is lucky number 13? There it is. Alright. I think we got her. And blue number 14. This is where I'm hopefully just going to nick it and not erase number 9. And we got her. So that should do it. Man, the gun runs awesome. Cannot believe again how much she feeds, how much she ejects. Huge improvement with the way it feeds and extracts. So man, feeling good about the gun. Alright guys, I'm gonna go down there, pull the target, and then we'll doctor everything up and put it up on the screen when I got her done. Thanks.